Friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about the best curbside deals right up until Saturday, August the 6th. So for the week of the 31st of July to August the 6th. So what curbside pickup means is you're either doing this through an app, pressing the blue button for a curbside option. Often items are a little bit cheaper, and this is a curbside pickup. Now, in the last week, a couple of people have been saying that they don't get their receipts, and if you're doing IBOTTA, Checkout 51, Swag Bucks, whatever, you need a receipt, right? So basically what you're going to do to get your paper receipt is do not check in. So when you drive to the store, don't opt for, I'm driving to the store, I'm on my way. Just go to the photo department at Walgreens and say, hey, Jane Smith, I'm here for my order. And then they will scan the QR code on the bags and then give you a receipt. Yesterday I went and boom, look at my receipt. Okay, yesterday I put up a video. If you want to check it out, it'll be linked at the end. I basically did a haul of $60 because I had a spend 60, get 15 back. I had an issue with Register Rewards not printing. Customer service made it right for me, along with everything else that went wrong with that order. If you want to check it out, it'll be linked at the very end of this video. But Register Rewards are printing as of Monday the 1st. A lot of people are letting me know that. So just to let you know, some really great deals over there. Okay, so the first curb deal we're going to talk about is the following. We're going to grab 2 bags of the Lavender Walgreens Epsom salt. If you know, you know. This is a 3-pound bag of bathing salts if you like to take baths. On a BOGO, 50% off for $2.98. And then 2 of the Dove shampoos, 2 for $8, which is a really killer price point because they're usually like $7 for one. These are the digital coupons that we have to load that include $1.50 off for that wonderful bag of Epsom salt. It is a for you only, so hopefully you got it as well. Along with that 7 off 2 that we had loadable last week. I couldn't get this guy to work in the store, but as a curbside, it's coming off, no problems, no issues. And a 7 off 2, so it basically makes it 50 cents per Dove shampoo. Like, hi, what a deal. Also to note something, add 2 to a basket and see if the digital coupon comes off. If you try and search for this coupon, it's not going to show up. You physically have to add 2 to a basket and then it will pop up that it's there. Some weird stuff going on with the app. I couldn't find mine, but when I added 2 to a basket, it showed up. And I didn't use it last week, so if you used it last week, it's obviously no longer there. But just add 2 to a basket and see if you might have it if you loaded this specific coupon last week. Okay, so taking a look at that just to show you guys the digital coupons coming off. Boom. So we have that 7 off 2 for the Dove, almost free, guys. And then the $1.50 off for the Epsom salt. I love Epsom salt, so definitely a stock up price for me. Just to show you the overall basket, it's $10. Free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, $8.49 right there. So the new total is $3.15. What I would do, guys, is use $3 in Walgreens cash and pay the 15 cents and laugh all the way to the bank and back. What a great little deal. Now, just to show you guys, I did the deal last night and it worked perfectly. So I have my 2 bags of Walgreens Epsom salt. And this Epsom salt is very, very comparable to Dr. Teal's. It's a really good quality. And then I have 2 glorious Dove shampoos. I'm going to go on a date with myself with all this stuff. And then just to show you my receipt, I went to the photo department. Hi, Rachel Smith here. And they were like, no problem. Scan the QR code and I got this. Photographed it to the Fetch Rewards app. And they have some sort of promotion which has a really quick turnaround of spend 30, get back 10. So I have to go find a couple more items. But this was a big part of it with the $8 of Dove. The next curbside deal that we're going to talk about, we're going to be grabbing, again, more of that Dove shampoo. And we're just looking at a different basket. So if you didn't like the bath salts and you hate taking baths, we're going to grab 2 of the Dove shampoos and then 1 Glade. It's a scent warmer. It's that plug-in only for $2.49. We have this digital coupon basically making it a complete freebie and just a really smart way to bulk up that basket right to $10. We also need this friend loaded, which is a 7 off 2 for the Dove hair care. So this is obviously a lot cheaper than the bath salt. And then just to show you, like, did the coupons come off? Yes, they are coming off. So $2.49 and a 7 off 2. And even if Dove hair therapy isn't your thing, like to pay 50 cents for each, you could give it away to somebody who you care about, or keep it in your stockpile. It's just a really fancy shampoo. Here's the basket at $10.49, free pickup, a little bit of tax, down to $1.63. I would use $1 of Walgreens cash and pay 63 cents. and what a great deal. Okay, the next little deal that we're going to do, curb number 3, we're going to grab 2 of the bath salts for $2.98, 1 of the Colgate toothpaste for $3.99. The Colgate products are buy 2, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. With Curbside, you can get that. You unfortunately can't get register rewards, but you can get like a buy 2, get the Walgreens cash. That works. We're also going to grab this little friend for $3.99, which is one of those Colgate brushes. So buy 2 of those at $7.98, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. We're going to load these 2 digital coupons, guys. So make sure that you have the $2 off for the brush and the $2 off for the paste. Make sure you have both of those for this little dealio. And then if you might be so lucky, and I know not everybody's going to get it, but if you got it, you know the value. You're going to have to load this guy. I hope a lot of you got this one because I got them on both of my accounts. Showing you the digital coupons, the $2 off for the Colgate paste, the brush, and my glorious favorite bath salts. I'm obsessed with those bath salts. Just to show you guys, the overall basket for this was $10.96. Curbside pickup is free, a little bit of tax. My coupon's off right there. So the total is $6.13. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.13. And then with the Colgate, buy 2, get $4 back. You know, it's like $2.13 for the 4 items. I think it's a super uber smart deal. Curb number 4. Okay, so we're just going to grab some Scots because why not? So this guy is $5 a pop. So for 3 of them, that is $15 on the nose for the Scots toilet paper or paper towel. Unfortunately, Kleenex is no longer in this mix, but for $5, I might be stocking up like crazy on this. And then we have an IVC coupon, which is a Walgreens coupon. And this is only of a one-time use digitally. And see how it says $1.25 off with my Walgreens. Thus, you know that is an IVC. And this will apply to all 3 in your basket. So as you can see, $1.25 times 3 is $3.75. There it is. Okay, so the overall basket is $15, subtracting $3.75, free pickup, a little bit of tax, for $11.93. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.93. You got to use your Walgreens cash, I think, to stock up on this meat and potatoes kind of stuff. Very smart deal. Now, the final curb that we have is for all the shampoo lovers out there. You're going to have to really scour the app to make sure you're grabbing the right products. So we have 2 Garnier Fructis, 2 for $7. A lot of them are still ringing up for $3.99, so I don't know what's going on, but it is the Walgreens app. And then 2 of the whole blends on the same promotion of 2 for $7. Now, only this week, we have a 4 off of 2, which is a very generous for the whole blends and also for the Fructis. So load those $8 of coupons. So we're buying $14 of shampoo with $8 off. I mean, it's pretty easy math. And the digital coupons are applying, but definitely look for the right ones because you don't want to grab the ones that are like super uber expensive at $3.99 a pop. So our overall basket is $14 on the nose, 84 cents tax, free pickup. The $8 of coupons are off right there for a subtotal of $6.84. If you want to use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.84 for the 5. I think that's a super smart move. Unfortunately, you're getting nothing back like points or anything like that with purchasing these shampoos. But I know a lot of you love the Garnier line, so a way to get some inexpensive shampoo with the curbside feature. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!